Asking me about iron deficiency, calcium deficiency. You have to understand, if you take supplements for iron or calcium, you are adding burden to the body because these are isolated chemistry, and the body is deficient because your adrenals are down. The adrenals is what makes use of minerals, and the parathyroid is what makes use of calcium. So if you're calcium deficient, iron deficient, magnesium deficient, these are all to do with the glands being affected by acids. You are highly acidic, you're under a state of acidosis, so the mucus or the obstruction is intense on the organs. The organs can't work properly. That's why you become deficient. You need to fix the adrenals, kidneys, lymphatic system, endocrine system, and stomach and bowels, so the whole body operates properly, so that you can make use of these minerals. You will not be iron deficient or calcium deficient once you fix the adrenals and the parathyroid. Okay, so get started with 100% fruits and use the Fab 5 herbs for the adrenals, kidneys, lymphatic system, endocrine system, and stomach and bowels, and get healing and fix everything once and for all. You don't need supplements, don't waste money on it. Go 100% fruits, invest in the herbs, and you'll be fine.